So here you're off on holiday soon. Where are you going?
Not sure, but I know there will be a lot of chickens going. Maybe I'll meet a new friend, one that doesn't forget my birthday.
What?
Today. I remember the first time I met my dad. Hello, Daddy.
Your dad is ugly.
Oh, maybe I'll find a nicer friend. Oh, speak of the devil, here he is. Hello, my name is Mike. What is your name? Don't understand English, eh? Does anyone speak English here? Hey, what do you think? What are you doing?
Hello. How are you today?
Hey, I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
I'm having a killing good time.
Damn, that's good chicken.
Whoa.
What?